In the middle of a bright green jungle, there lived a young elephant named Ellie. She wasn't the biggest, she wasn't the loudest, but Ellie had a very special gift. She loved to paint. While the other elephants splashed in the river or played trunk tag, Ellie dipped her trunk in berries, mud, and flowers, using them as paints. She painted colorful leaves. She painted shiny rocks. She even painted a rainbow on a tree trunk. "Elephants don't paint," said grumpy Uncle Tusco. "They stomp and spray and charge, not doodle." Ellie lowered her ears. Maybe he was right. But the jungle animals didn't agree. One day, Monkey came swinging down. "Can you paint my tail with stripes?" he asked. "Me too," squeaked Parrot. "Make my feathers sparkle." Soon, Ellie was painting everywhere: banana trees with polka dots, zebras with rainbow socks, even butterflies with glittery wings. Okay, shiny leaves, but close enough. The jungle had never looked so magical. Then came the jungle festivals, the biggest day of the year. Uncle Tusco huffed. "You'd better not turn anyone purple." But when the Jungle King arrived, he stopped and stared. "Who made all this art?" he asked, eyes wide at the glowing vines and sparkling stones. Ellie stepped forward nervously. "I did." The king smiled. "It's wonderful. You've made the jungle come alive." And from that day on, Ellie was known not just as an elephant but as the artist of the jungle.